In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your WordPress website back to its original settings. So let's get started. So this is the website that we are going to reset. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress website dashboard. At first, we are going to install a reset plugin. From the WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and then click on add new. Now here in the search bar, search for WP reset. We are going to install the first plugin, so I will click on install now, and once it is installed I will click on activate button. So now our plugin is installed on our WordPress website, and now we are going to reset our WordPress website using this plugin. So in order to reset your WordPress website, go to tools and then click on WP reset. So if you will reset your WordPress website, all the data will be removed from your WordPress website. So if it is important for you, I will highly recommend you to take the backup of your WordPress website. You can also take the backup of your WordPress website using this plugin. So whenever in the future you need this website, you can restore it from the backup. So in order to take the backup using this plugin, just go to snapshot from the top, and from here click on create snapshot. Just give it a name and then click on create snapshot. So in this way, this will create a snapshot for your WordPress website. So whenever if you want to restore your WordPress website in the future, then you can use this snapshot. So to reset your WordPress website, just click on reset from the top menu. Now from here scroll down to site reset section. Now here type reset and then click on reset website. Again click on reset WordPress. So in this way our WordPress website will be reset back to its original settings. So now if I visit my website, our website will look like this, as because it is restored to its original settings. So this is how you can reset your WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.